end has come for the Dyson. 10 years old, and its time has come to depart the wall. We shall take the Dyson V8 Animal off the wall. So here it is, the Dyson V8 Animal in all its glory. So if you've seen my other videos, you'd see the ones that I did on the Bosch Afflet. Now, that was an awful vacuum cleaner. I'll link the Bosch Afflet videos I did at the end of this one, but let's concentrate on this V8. So this V8 is an animal, quite literally. It is worn out. It is at the end of its life, really. The vacuum cleaner itself is 10 years old. Probably gone through a hell of a lot of charge cycles, but we'll cover that in a minute. Notable things at 10 years old. The work it's been doing is mainly on tiled floors, so no carpet work. That makes a huge difference in run times, battery life, and wear and tear on the thing. So what happened, or what has gone wrong with this one? The head went. What happened was, there we go. So inside there's the motor and the cylinder with the sweeper things on, and basically it disintegrated. These were just, I've taped up one of them, but the power cables, they came out, they didn't touch, but they were just on show, which, I don't know, it's not great, is it? If we just continued charging this thing, this could have caught fire. Wear and tear, you can see the cracks appearing there. Did I get this right? Yep. So all in all, this is quite worn out. You can get these on eBay, but in my mind, this machine's now done. There's some other things that are a bit of an issue. So you can see there, again, this is all just wear and tear. It's still functional, but it's all just a bit loose. So coming up the shaft, you've got this bit. I'll put tape round here, but what happens, I'm not sure you can see it on camera, but this becomes quite wobbly and doesn't secure inside very well. So what happens there is, if you've got your hand on there, it pinches your skin. Other things that we've done, filters have always been cleaned. I've also replaced the filters with new ones. You got that filter there, and then you got this one on the motor filter, as it were, on there. Don't really use it on boost because of the tiled floors. They don't really require it. So on tiled floors, just normal operation. You go in here, you can see the plastic's cracked on the I don't know what that is actually. I think it's like a finger rest. We put one of these little devices on because that's the other pain with these. There's no momentary switch. So basically when you have to have your finger on the button all the time, and it's a pretty nasty thing on your fingers. So we bought one of these. This was off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for these. I think they're about £6. But basically you can just turn the lever and it will hold that switch for you in place, so you don't have to muck around with holding it with your small finger. So obviously 10 years, all the charging that's gone on, the battery. So we had to replace the battery Now, replacement batteries are a bit of a lottery. At least with these ones, they actually just do come off the bottom of the vacuum cleaner easily. Although I can't now remember how these come off. But yeah, the battery was a bit of an issue, so we kind of replaced it with one of these. This has been working like a dream for about 2 years. No problems, no degradation of the cells. Everything works fine. So I can highly recommend these. They also come with some sort of warranty as well for a year, I think it was. And yeah, so if you do need a new battery, get one of those. The actual motors, bar the motor head for the brush, have all been fine. No problems there. What else? Just trying to think. All this mechanism, the emptying mechanism's been fine. I might even end up, because this battery is pretty good, I probably will end up keeping this, getting rid of the long tube and just putting the short attachment on, so we can use it for cars and stuff like that, or in the garage. That might be a good thing to do, rather than just binning it all together down the dump. So yeah, that is my 10-year-old Dyson V8 vacuum cleaner, and how it's got on with 10 years worth of kind of abuse. So thanks for watching this. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another one.